Oh, sorry I'm late. I was in the garage just staring at my new car. Oh, buddy, I gotta figure out somewhere to go. I need to spend some time with this car. I need to go out in the middle of nowhere and let it rip. Let it rip. Tanya trades. God, tell everyone the secret car that I got. I bought a new car yesterday. Tanya just told the whole world what it is. So much for a big reveal on YouTube. So much for the big reveal. A 570S. Do I look like fucking Danny Trades? Do I look like Danny Trades fucking 570S? I didn't post the car on Twitter. Nah, I bought an Audi. I bought a McLaren 600 LT. 600 LT. The best part about the 600 LT is the fact that they've made, I think I looked up the stats on them. They only made 175 left-hand 2019 600 LTs. So like I literally own one of 175 and only like half of those probably came to the USA. So I'm going to make a video. Yeah, it's a 2019. It had 6,000 miles on it. One car owner, full paint protection. Thing is mint. The guy who owned it before me bought it from the McLaren dealership. He brought it back, traded it in, got another car. Just an old guy. So it's like literally the perfect car to buy, I think. You got a full 1 year... it has a full 1 year bumper to bumper warranty because it's certified pre-owned, which is also a big deal for McLaren because McLaren obviously is not the most reliable. Empire Auto Spa, I don't know. Can you guys handle the McLaren? No, it already has PPF on it. It's got a clear PPF on it. The owner before put the clear on it. So I might do like an actual 3M wrap over the clear. Maybe we'll see. Do a only prop firms Patrick Wieland wrap. Tanya trades in the house. She's not trading, but she's hanging. What do you got today, Tanya? What does ICT theory tell you? Where do we go? Up or down at open? Or just chop? Yesterday, we ended up chopping around here. Look at this move yesterday. The chop is real. That 18,370 level. 18,370 level there. What's good? What's good? Good morning. Good morning. Right now, looking at the 15-minute chart here, pulling up the hourly chart as well, running right into that resistance. Very good chance or very high chance that we just get stuck in this fucking channel again. You guys seeing this? Look at this thing. Would you just look at it? I see very much the potential of just chopping around here again today. So we need to make sure that we, we play smart. Let's play smart, boys. Play smart. And when I say smart, I mean smart. Let's not do anything stupid today. All right? No stupid ideas. Ba-da-ba-da-boo. Boo-da-boo-da-boo-boo-boo. Right now, the NASDAQ sitting there at that 18,368 pivot point. We got a pivot point right there at the 18,368s. We got the VWAP down there at the 316s. We got a pivot point right there as well at the 18,300s. 18,300s. Oh, buddy. I don't know how to feel right now. because it ain't looking. We got what? CPI, PPI this week. We got more numbers coming out. Very high chance that we just end up fucking chopping around here again today. So the overnight move ran the lows and then popped it right back up there to the highs. The trap, they trapped those shorts. So the move, that was a beautiful move. If you traded this morning, 645, about a 100-point mover there. I got to start trading that 630. I swear to God, 630 lately has just been fucking fire. 6:30 in the morning. Like, where's 6:30 at? It wasn't yesterday, but today. I don't know. Every time I get on the fucking computer, I feel like I look and I'm like, damn it. If I would have just been... The problem is, if I try to trade at 6:30, then the market's not going to move. So, like I always say, it's, you know, you're screwed either way. You try to like, oh, I'm not going to trade the chop. I'm going to stay out of it. And then, well... You end up trading the chop. You end up having a bad day. And then you wake up in the morning, 6:30, you see the market. You're like, oh, look at that move. Oh, man. Oh, man, oh, man, oh, man. All right, we got a little over 20 minutes here. 20 minutes or so till market opens. Right now, the NASDAQ kind of just pushed straight up into that resistance from yesterday. We got the VWAP down there, 18,316. We have very much, you know, been in this channel here. So look at that. Look at the hourly chart yesterday. Ouch. Those hourly candles, literally, what, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Terrible. Absolutely terrible. The car that I bought is a McLaren 600 LT. I'll put a video up later on today. Average activities. If we break the 15,380 supply, have it running until 18,580. 580. Oh, yeah. Definitely not a crazy idea. We break out of this range here. As of right now, waiting and watching. We got plenty of time. Plenty of time. Sean Griffin, waste of money, PW, buy property. Well, luckily for you, I can do whatever the fuck I want. I mean, it's all just a waste of money, man. It's all fucking, it's all just, you know, it's all a waste. One day you're gonna die, and it's like, who cares about how many fucking properties you owned, you know? When I die, I'm gonna be like, oh, buddy, I had a good time. That McLaren, that sure was a good investment. I had, woo, baby. The feeling alone. The feeling of, I'll pay $200,000 for that feeling. Your children would care. I don't know. My dad didn't save any money for me, and look at me, I'm a millionaire. So I think at the end of the day, if you doesn't matter where you come from, doesn't matter what your parents did for you, if you want it bad enough, you can do it. So I did not get a Rolls Royce. Yeah, I literally spent 1 month. I spent 1 month income on the car. I paid cash for it, baby. Cash. The funniest was going to the bank, and I had to get a cashier's check for $238,000. And the woman at the bank was looking at me like, what are you buying? And I said, a car. Car, baby. Have you ever really struggled with trading? Oh, yeah. 7 years of struggling, baby. 7 years of struggling, baby. Why cash? Why not lease it and put money into crypto? Well, what if I've already got plenty of money in crypto? I still have all my trucks. I got everything. Nothing. Right now, watching, we're at this pivot point, the 15-minute chart. It's like, are we going to go straight up here at open? Remember yesterday we dumped straight down there to the VWAP. We got 15 minutes till market opens, so plenty of time to just be patient here, and we will see what happens. There she goes. Trying to, I hate this fact that we're like sitting right there at that fucking resistance at open. The hourly chart right now. If we get through this level, that high from yesterday, 76s. See what happens here today. I really don't care what happens. Market can go up, market can go down. I really don't care either way. I just want to make some money here. So let's see. We got 15 minutes till market opens, and we will we'll find out. Yesterday was definitely a just terrible, choppy Monday. And right now, look at the NASDAQ going. It's going. It's pushing. I hate these, like, these little pullbacks right here are just like, you can't really buy into this pullback here. You know, you really can't. It's hard. Hard to buy. Like, what are you going to do? Buy right there? I don't know. It's just, that's a hard pullback to buy into. Especially knowing there's all that resistance up there. So as of right now, we can just sit back. We can be patient. We can wait and see kind of where we end up moving at open. Serious question. No offense. Do you have ADHD? I don't know. Never been diagnosed, but maybe. Just because guys, I want y'all to understand something real quickly. This is a show, right? Like, I'm not like crazy and like yelling and screaming and like, you know, in like real life. And, you know, obviously like I've got to put on a show here. So people are like, he's got so much energy. How's he got so much energy? It's like, it's part of the show, you know, like I'm here to put on a show. YouTube is a show, you know, like, that's the show. It's entertainment. I'm here to entertain. People are like, but Patrick, you're so happy. You're so excited. You must be doing drugs. He is snorting cocaine because he's got way too much energy. No, I wake up in the morning. I work out. I fucking do what I need to do. I get the right amount of sleep. I fucking grab life by the balls, baby. By the balls. Oh my God. Fucking NASDAQ going straight up right now. Oh God. Fuck. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. It's breaking out now. Oh, FOMO's real. Should have traded that 630. 630 pump. Damn it. We need more time. We need more time. More time. We gotta, I mean, at this point, fuck. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh God. Just going straight to the fucking moon now. Oh God. Why? Like, why do they do this shit? They just do this shit just to fuck with you, I swear. Just to fuck with everybody. Get everybody like super bullish here, and then at open, it just fucking dumps straight down. Or get everybody thinking that this is the fucking top, and then it's gonna squeeze straight up. What? There's two ways. They're gonna fuck somebody. Somebody's getting fucked here. Let's think about that. Who's gonna get fucked here? The Bears or the Bulls? Who is going to get fucked at open here? Somebody has to get fucked. It's just nobody. You can't have both. Not the Bears and the Bulls cannot win at open. Someone's got to get basically fucked to create liquidity. So who's gonna get fucked today? Pardon my English, but it's the truth. Somebody's gonna get fucked, and it ain't gonna be me. No, sir. No, thank you. I do not want to. I do not. Nope, not today. Not today, my friends. Ba-da-ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba-da-bum-bum-bum. All right, 11 minutes till market opens. Right now, the NASDAQ pushing up here. If we look at the bigger time frames, we've got resistance there from Friday, 18,400. Remember, we had that huge sell-off. So what's interesting here, we had that huge sell-off there on Thursday, and look where we're at. We're just consolidating in the middle of that big sell-off now. So the very interesting, you know, that we had that huge dump, and then now we're just sitting in the middle of that big dump, basically. And pretty much, I mean, if we get above that Friday high, what's really going to stop us? You know, look at the hourly chart. I mean, that dump candle was basically 18,500. What's really going to stop us at that point? You know, like there's really like no price action inside of basically from like 360 up to the 500s. There's really not like, I just feel like there's nothing really to like stop it here. So ooh, ah. Ooh, ooh. Who's gonna stop us? Nobody. All right, we got 9 minutes till market opens here. 9 minutes. I got 9 on it. Yes, I do. Every day at, what is it? Onlyprofirms.com. Every day we're giving away $100 to one lucky person. Check out our Twitter. We're giving away every day $100. Just go over, check out onlyprofirms.com for all the latest and greatest. Got a lot of stuff coming, and well, it's just the beginning of the Only Prop Firms dynasty. We're building the dynasty right here on YouTube, baby, to last forever. I'm going to leave my mark on the world. Something like that. All right. Right now, we got a pivot point down there at 368. We had that big pop up. I mean, 18,400 is pretty much primed and ready right there. Fuck. It's going to be really annoying if this thing just goes straight up at open, but being patient. Be patient. 8 minutes till market opens. Watching. Let's ask the Magic 8 Ball. Magic 8 Ball. Will the market break straight through 18,400 at open? Whoop. This Magic 8 Ball is worthless. It said, consult me later. What kind of answer is that? I don't understand why there's like, why do they have like these dumb answers in there? Consult me later. Well, I just consulted you. What, am I going to consult you in 30 minutes after the market opens? Well, thanks for that. See, even the Magic 8 Ball is bullshit. The indicators are bullshit. It's all bullshit. Fugazi, man. None of this shit's real. Money's not real. You know, when you're down, you never feel like you're going to be back up. When you're up, you never feel like you're going to be down. But one thing stays the same. We keep on winning. Even when you're losing, just keep on winning, baby. The best losers win. Think about that. Woo. True story. I didn't even make that up. It's not even like something that I just like came up with. It's literally a thing. The best losers win. When trading, that is. Trading, you know. Bum 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 chicka bum chicky bum 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 bum. All right, so by the way, today is going to be my final and last trading day of the week. I've got the big tournament down in Miami. I've already kind of been slacking Monday, Tuesday here to get stuff done for the tournament, but after today's live stream, I definitely will not be live for the rest of the week. I'm heading down to Miami to get my party on, to get my fishing on. I'm going to be fishing and catching, hopefully winning. We got a lot of money to win. I need to win some fucking money because I just spent a bunch of money. So fishing tournaments, can I win $300,000 at this fishing tournament? Possibly. The pay, it's there. The money is there. I just got to win the shit. So $300,000 fishing tournament, and then I pay for the car. I need the money, honey. All right. NASDAQ just sitting right here below that 18,400 level. 18,400. Just sitting there. Oh, buddy. We got 5 minutes till market opens. 5 minutes. Right now, Apex is 80% off. 1 day pass. If you guys ever hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Let's get some likes here on the stream. I need some love. I need to feel the love. Help me feel the love. Show me the money. Show me the money. The money. The ES, the NASDAQ, both breaking out into open here. Oh, buddy. It's going to be one of those days. One of those days. The plan for me at open is just to be patient. Right now, I'm like, what am I, you know, what am I going to do? It's a difficult one because if this thing just keeps going straight up, it's like, are you going to chase it? Are you going to short it? What are you going to do? And it's just about just waiting for that perfect moment. You know, let's wait for our setup. We take the setup. We don't need to trade every little move in the market. We just need to trade 1 or 2 good setups a day. Walk away, fresh cash Tuesday here, my friends. So we got 4 minutes till market opens. What do you guys got? We going up, we going down at open. What do you guys think? The Magic 8 Ball is worthless. Is the market gonna break through 18,400 today? Whee! Magic 8 Ball said no. Uh-oh. 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 The Magic 8 Ball has now said no. We're not going to break 18,400 here at open. Uh-oh. All in short. We got 4 minutes, my friends. 4 minutes. I got 4 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Sometimes you gotta channel your inner Comanche. You know what a Comanche is? A Comanche is somebody at war with everyone. That's Patrick Wieland. That's me, baby. I'm at war with everybody. I chose violence. I woke up this morning and I said, who wants some of this? Who wants some of this? It's me versus the market, baby. It's me versus the market. Comanche style. Nobody's here. Nobody's here. Nobody can take me. Nobody can save me. I must do it alone. I must take on the world alone. Seminoles. Nah, I'm a Comanche. I bought a Mini Cooper. Wiz Trades. Thanks, man. Outlaw Welding. Down at open to near 18,370. Then bounce. Wait, 370? It's not that low. All right. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I got 2 minutes. Yes, I do. I got time on it. Loving you is what I do. It's got time on, time on, time on, time, do do, boot 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 boot. One minute here. 1 minute. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me blow up the like button here. Like, think about it. How cool is that? You can press a button and it'll blow it up. It'll blow it up. I'm going to post a full video later on today of the car. So everybody ask about the car. Just stay tuned. Here we go. 30 seconds. Oh, God. Straight up. Classic. Classico. It's so classic. So classic. Straight oh, the fucking 8 ball was wrong. Straight through the 18400s there. Dipping down here to the 80s again. If we push through the 400s, this thing's primed to run. It's got to get above that 400 level strong. She wants it. Through the 400s there again, held up at the lows, 380s. Going nowhere as of now. Something's got to happen here. We got to like create some liquidity. We got to trap somebody. Someone's got to get trapped here. Who's it going to be? The Bears, the Bulls. Right now, stuck there above 18,400. Ooh, buddy. Do we get all the way through the 400s there? That high on that previous candle, the O2. So O3, if they can get it through that O2 level. A lot of wikis. A lot of wikis up here at the highs for now. Who's getting trapped? '05 was the high. I don't know why '05 was sitting there. Back down to the 85s here now. Down there to the 70s. So that '08 level is the high from Friday there that we pushed up into, and now again stuck there. So just can't get above it. That hourly candle, we got the VWAP down there at the 330s. Oh, buddy, she's falling off a cliff here. She's falling off a cliff. Five-minute candle looking like VWAP wants to get tapped. 330 area, huh? Trying to be careful here. Don't want to get short at the bottom and then get this fucking thing to squeeze you straight out. Like I said earlier, just got to be careful. Patience, my friends. Patience. Dollar's dumping. NASDAQ's right there at that pivot point at the 70s. Bouncing off that pivot on the QQQ as well there. For now. That's the QQQ 3-minute chart. Thing looks like it wants to just squeeze straight up again. Look how tight this thing's sitting right now. There's the squeeze up again. Well, right off the 70s, straight back up there. Oh, baby Jesus. Should have taken that trade right there. It was so tight at the 70s. So tight. All right, this would be the spot to break out again, get through that 400 level one more time. All right, will we go through the 400s here? Holding there at the 80s, getting very tight again. Take out that 400 level one more time, buddies. One more time. All right. She's looking primed, boys. Looking primed to take out 400s here now. And then there's that pivot point up there at the 440s. $405, the high there. Through the 405s, we should get it moving. Got the 8s coming up there next to get through 10-8 level. Buyers are definitely pushing it, holding here, trying to get through. Need one more boater candle, boys. One more boater candle to get through that and then run right up there to the 20-30 level. This is a key level as well if you look on the hourly chart to get through here. That 08 level for this breakout. Gotta go. If we don't break out here very soon, I'm worried that we're going to just chop right back down. So be careful. I'd say if we can't basically hold that 90 level, we're probably going to move right back down to that pivot again. VWAP possible. Oh my God, it's getting so tight. If this thing pops the 05, 06s, it should have at least 20, 30 points to the upside there. So range bound market here. No breakouts allowed on that hourly chart. It's just not allowed, they said. Not today, not before CPI report. He's really trying. I think longs above this breakout would be your bet. I don't want to get short up here just in case this thing squeezes straight to the moon. The long was definitely off of that pivot point down there earlier. And again, like I said, that 90 level just couldn't get us there. So not good. Pulling right back down. Pivot point there, 68s. Just remember, at some point, the market's going to make a good move, right? It's going to happen. The good moves are coming. We just got to be alive when those days happen. The worst thing you could do is end up losing everything on a day like today where the market's just stuck here. So, nothing wrong with not taking trades sometimes, you know? I mean, look at this 5-minute action right now. Ugh. 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 We've gone absolutely nowhere. That 15-minute opening range breakout as well, if we get above that 06 level. But as of right now, just stuck in the middle of that 15-minute candle. Ooh. We're still just kind of holding up above those pivots as well. Again, put in that higher low for now, the 76 is, but at this point, I'd say if you get back, just pretty much get back above 400s, we push. So the high on that count right there, 98s. I wouldn't want to get long at 99. I'd want to get, I mean, really, you just, I guess, wait to. That pivot point, 18,440 to the upside there, being your breakout target here. The Dow right now pulling back here below the VWAP. The ES pulling back as well. Everything kind of just pulling back here right now. Like I said, below the 90s, kind of moving back to that VWAP, to the pivot point there. And there we are, back to the pivot point now. Woo! like I said, no reason to get long till we basically got back up above that. And now there's that dip. I try to like, I try to reason with myself the idea like, okay, is it like how, I'm just not I'm not a very good range trader, to be honest. Like, it's just hard for me to like see this move down, this move back up, and then be like, okay, I'm going to get short, right here. Like, it's just, it's just hard for me. Anybody else feel that way? Because I took a long from here to the, like, up into there, and it's like, at that point, I'm like, oh, fuck. It's just hard to just magically be like, okay, now I'm going to short. And I feel like that can't just be a problem that I have. I mean, we were there, man. We was there, now we here. Oh my baby Jesus. So the 1 hour chart still very much in play in this channel. Ugh. See, it's just like, it's just hard. The whole thing's hard, man. It's all fucking, I guess, looking at the 1 minute chart, there was kind of like this bear flag right there. Could have shorted that 92 level for that move down to the VWAP. Obviously, coulda, shoulda, woulda, it's just fucking. Blah. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Still an easy day. I mean, not an easy day, but still a good day here. Still very much in the green today, but everybody just want more, man. Everybody just want a little bit more, Just want a little bit more, man. Just a little bit more green. Want a little bit more green. You can see my Apex accounts here, funded accounts, 2,300 times 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 accounts right now with Apex there. So still locking in. It's funny because, like, I've talked about this before, just because it's like you have these multiple accounts, but it's so funny because you don't see like the grand total, right? There's not like a grand total at the bottom. It doesn't show you that. So when you look at it, you're like, oh, I only made 2,300, but you're like, wait, times 16, right? That's not bad. It's not bad. All right, bouncing off the VWAP here again. And what is that? I'm trying to do, I'm terrible about it here. Oh, God. Yeah, 36,800 today. I mean, fuck. Not a bad day. You use Matt strategy? What strategy? They're 50K accounts. I'm trying to show that. Pretty much made this one trade right here out of the open. Just pulled that, bought that. This is the 1 minute chart here. Ended up getting long there at the 84. What was that? Yeah, 85s. It popped up here to 99. And you can see here kind of that setup. The breakout. I was thinking we held that 80 level, ended up getting long, thought we were gonna run through the 400s, and obviously did not. So took profit before dumping there, and now just sitting back here waiting and watching to see what happens next. The right now the Dow dumping straight down there. We saw the Dow making the move earlier through the lows there. We saw that setup there. And now the NASDAQ sitting here. Got a little bull flag here on the 1 minute chart for now. Get below the VWAP here. We got that pivot down there at the 302s. It's just the way that I'm thinking about this now is like, if I get short here, we know that we're in this big old range. Ugh. Now it's gonna just dump as I'm talking about it, but ugh. Down there to the 40s again. See, and again, just chopping right back up. So, ugh. As much as I want to make more money here today, I also do not want to give back any profits. $2,000 a day times 16 accounts, definitely not a bad way to trade. Just anticipating more just crap here. The SPY, the ES, the QQQ, everything's selling down right now. Everything looking red here. Oh, do I get short at the 40s? Oh, God. Why? Ugh, I don't want to. It wants to roll over here. It wants to. Yeah, I mean, QQQ going for the gap fill. 440 area on the Qs. See here on the QQQ, it closed yesterday down here at 440 level, so we do have that little bit of a gap. So if we lose this area, I mean, very much looking very bearish right now. If we lose that, there's a pivot point right there, 440.75 on the QQQ. So that's pretty much right in line with that 18,300 level here on the NASDAQ as well. Look at these candles here. Ugh. Ugh. If we get below the 40s, let's say we move down, but how many entrants are expected for the fishing tournament? Normally there's like 60 boats in the fishing tournament. And the NASDAQ just holding on. Get through that 40 level. Should take us lower. But 40's holding up here. I see there's some other YouTubers out there right now that are short here. And that also makes me afraid to be that also makes me afraid to go short. I feel like it's time to get long just because some other YouTubers are short right now. Maybe that's wrong to say, but I don't know. Suspect. Fade the other YouTubers. Fade the other YouTubers. Oh, God. It's working. Like I said, I should have just fucking gotten short there. For now on, I'm just gonna fade every other YouTuber out there. If they're short, I'm getting long because they're getting stopped out. Well, that definitely saved me. That's fucking... That's... Oh my God. I told you. It worked. It fucking worked. What worked? Basically, there were other YouTubers that are live. I kind of always keep an eye on what everyone else is doing. I know on that, you know, I just gotta, I gotta always know what other people are doing. But there were some other YouTubers that were short down here, like in the 40s. And I was like, nope. this, I ain't getting short because no offense to the other YouTubers, but it was questionable already. Like I was already questioning the short there. So to see other idiots on the internet also shorting there, I was like, nope. Ain't doing it. So the chop continues. I can't wait till after the fucking news this week. I won't be trading for the rest of the week, so fucked either way. I like how people in the chat just like tell me, go long, go short. Like, come, guys, do you really think I'm going to listen to you? I don't only go long. I don't know why people think that. People think that I only go long, but like the market lately has been very bullish, so it's hard for me to be short. I have taken plenty of shorts in the last month or so, but at the same time, doesn't mean I'm always gonna be fucking shorting. Oh God, here they come. Here they come in the chat. I told you it was going down. I told you. Congratulations. All right, so now that everybody got stopped out that was shorting here, and now the longs got stopped out too, let's see what happens next. People that bought that breakout for this move up, they didn't take profit. They probably got stopped out, so. Now I think we move down. Now we're going to break 40s here. LOL. You gotta love it. The market, it's the funniest shit, man. Like you just gotta laugh at it. Like this is just funny shit because literally people got short right here. They got stopped out there. They bought this breakout, got stopped out again, and now they're getting stopped out down here. They got stopped out 3 different fucking times. And guess what? Guess who didn't get stopped out at all? Patrick Wieland. Patrick motherfucking Wieland. Patrick motherfucking Wieland. I'm just sitting here. Not playing these games. I'm not playing them. Fuck you, market. Ain't doing it. Oh. All right. just trying to avoid. You remember, guys, just because the market's open does not mean you have to place a trade. If I could go back in time and stop myself from placing bad trades, I know it's impossible to not have a bad trade, but like if I could go back in time, and just stop myself from trading stupid shit and just only waiting, for good setups and trading, I might have, like, if you think about it, like I might have kind of like, maybe it's not the best way to put it. I feel like might have missed out on some trades, sure. But at the same time, I probably would have missed out on the losses as well that come from some of those trades. So it's a constant battle, man. I go through it. Nobody goes through it more than me because I've got the pressure of YouTube wanting to make massive amounts of money. I've got the pressure of I put on myself to, wanting to do it. And right now, another YouTuber is actually long right now here at the 40s. So this is definitely just got to crash straight back down. Let's see if it works out. Ba-na-ba-na-bum. Like I see the other traders on YouTube and I see like how much they like jump from like long to short. I mean, some of them are like every other candle, they're either shorting or longing. And I'm like, am I doing something wrong here? Like, am I doing something wrong? What should I do differently? I don't know. I don't think that's the way to do it. That's for sure. If your chart is literally every candle has entry and exit points on it, you're over trading. Especially on a 1 minute chart. If you're trading the 1 minute chart and every candle has fucking buy and sell arrows, come on. What are you doing over there? That's not trading. Danny wants to challenge you. I know he wants to challenge me. Here's my challenge for Danny Trades. You ready for my challenge, Danny Trades? Fucking sell your piece of shit fucking Rolls Royce and Ferrari and fuck off. All right? Get out of here. My car, my one car is more expensive than both your little shit boxes. Fucking Danny, you little fuck. And I've got 3 trucks. I got a $150,000 truck. I got a $100,000 truck. I got a fucking Bronco. I got a boat. Come on. Danny Trades is not even on my fucking level. Not even on my motherfucking level, people. All right, let's see. Magic 8 Ball. Like crazy. All right, Magic 8 Ball. Positively. I didn't ask the question, but it just said positively. So I think that's the Bronco is wimpy. What the fuck? The Bronco's got 37s on it. I fucking run your car over, my little wimpy truck. Yeah, fuck. What are you talking about? Jim, I will drive over your car. In your profile picture car, I will drive over it. I'll drive over. I don't even have a Discord, by the way. People in the chat said my Discord's paying. I don't have a Discord, so... Oh my God. What is this? What is this? What is this candle right now? What is happening here with this candle? What is going on? Right back up there to that pivot point again. All right, market pushing back up here. Just absolute chop city right now. Give it a little bit longer, but if we don't get something happening here, I'm going to walk away in the green here. $30,000. Oh. But I'm fucking. All right, NASDAQ again stuck right there at that fucking pivot point, boys. All right, pushing up there through the pivot point there again. It's a micro range inside the range. It's inception. It's a range inside of a range. Oh. Can you write off the McLaren as a marketing expense? Never know. But Patrick! Patrick! Right now, we have Only Prop Firms give away $100 every day. Check out onlypropfirms.com for all the latest, greatest, and the best stuff going on. Best stuff, best stuff, best stuff. Can you trade Apex with a Mac? Yes, you could trade with a MacBook. on Tradeovate online or web browser or whatever, however you want to do it. Do you pay tax in the US on the money that you make? Yes. All right, Magic 8 Ball. Will we break the VWAP or will we break the VWAP here? Can't say. Even the Magic 8 Ball. Even the fucking Magic 8 Ball can't even predict what's going to happen next. Even the Magic 8 Ball don't know. Even the Magic 8 Ball, man. Oh, gosh. Patrick, you should trade gold. I don't know. Should I? Does the fishing tournament have a buy-in? Yeah, about 20 grand. I got an LLC S Corp. You're very new to trading. Can I explain exactly what long or short is? I got about 1,000 videos on my channel, so check those out. A bass tournament. Fuck no bass tournament. No, it's a sail fishing tournament. Yeah, I'm going to work on some sweet shirts soon. Some Only Prop Firms shirts. Better than this. I just made this for the live stream. Apex question. 2 of my blown evaluations are not canceling. It takes me to a page does not exist. Any suggestion? Don't know. If it's if you canceled it, then it's canceled. Jin Sun said, looks like it's going down. Well, it's about to go straight to the moon. I use a Tradeovate web browser. You cannot scalp on Apex? Yeah, you can scalp. What does that mean? I've never used Sierra Trades. How is your chart so fast? Is it the internet or do I need to upgrade your market data? How slow is your chart? What time frame you looking at? What is your strategy for the trailing drawdown for Apex to hit the profit target in one trade, basically? I mean, that's honestly probably the best way. The best way to pass the evaluation is just 10 contracts. 15 points. I mean, honestly. But here's the thing, right? If you're going to trade big size, you got to make sure you're trading when the market's moving. You do not want to trade big size in the chop. Don't fucking do it. It's not worth it. You're just going to get chopped up and it's going to fucking, the trailing drawdown is going to destroy you. So if you're trying to pass an apex evaluation, the best thing to do is either fucking just try to get that move right at open when you get the 20, 30 point moves, or you got to kind of wait for something to happen. Because, right, I mean, you can't, like if let's say I get long right here. Let's say I get long here at 50 and it goes up here to 70, pulls back. Like I'm going to get stopped out because of the trailing drawdown. So you gotta avoid trading the chop. If the market's not fucking moving, it ain't going to work. What happened to ICT? I don't know. Nothing. I mean, it's not about gambling. It's just like if you're gonna try to pass the apex evaluation in one trade with big size, like you can't do it when the market's not moving. You know? Because right now is a bad time to try to pass the evaluation. Can you trade the news with Apex? You can trade news in the evaluation. You just can't. And you can hold through news in the funded account. You just can't, like, right when the news comes out, gamble and put on 20 contracts and, like, either make money or lose money. They're not going to, like, approve the payout on that. So if you, let's say you got long on the NASDAQ at 6:30 in the morning and the market's up here, you know, at the 360s before the news comes out, and then you hold through the news, that's totally fine. The problem is you can't just like fucking put a trade on right when the news comes out, because then you're going to get flagged. So you can hold through news, no problem. But when it comes to being in a funded account, being in the PA account, you got to be a little bit aware that you can't just fucking go crazy. But Pat, the money management, I mean, at the same, it's 1 day pass for the evaluation. So, I mean, I'm not telling you to gamble, but what I'm telling you is, do you really want to fucking trade the evaluation for 2 weeks, making $100 per day? Like, I don't know. It's $33 for the evaluation. Cheaper just to buy a new one than it is to reset. I am not shorting. I am not getting long. I'm getting ready to walk away here in about 5 minutes. Is the profit carried forward to the funded account? No. Why does Danny Trades hate on me? Because he wants to be me. He drives 2 piece of shit cars, and his dream is to be just like me one day. Well, I guess shorting below the 30s would have been the plan. Fuck, 15-point drop right there. The pivot point down there, 18,300. Ooh, buddy. Oh my God. That's see, like, oh, why? Why? Oh my God. There's your Apex right there. That's how you get your Apex account funded on this trade right there. Look at that thing. Through the 30s right there, straight down. That's right there. That one candle is you're getting funded. No pullback, no trailing drawdown bullshit, just straight to your fucking target. You told people we're dumb to short. When did I say that? Maybe earlier, fucking 30 minutes ago. Oh my, guys. Everybody in the chat, come on, everyone just tell me. I told you to short, Patrick. I told you. I get it. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. The fuck? It's like, I don't get like this whole, like, what do people, like, what are you trying to, like, what do you get? What are you accomplishing? You know, like, what are you accomplishing? How do you feel? I mean, it's like, but Patrick, why don't you trade? Put on more trades. Why? Like, why? What's the point? 2,300 across 16 accounts, over $30,000. So the idiot in the chat that's telling me that I should have shorted, how much are you up today? How much are you up today? Look at this thing. It's just gone. Oh my God. Wow. There must be some news or something going on right now. Something's got to be happening. Or I guess we are, yeah, we already blew through the gap fill. Oh. What is this shit right now? Are you kidding me? What is happening right now? Can anybody explain to me what the fuck is happening right now? Market just straight, absolutely straight down right now. At that pivot point. Ooh, buddy. We just fell off a cliff. Just fell off a fucking, look at that thing. Off a cliff, boys. Oh, baby Jesus. I told you. Thank you for everyone that told me. Thank you, everybody that told me to short. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. You guys are the best. I can't believe that I am so lucky to have so many amazing, just amazing people in the chat. It's just, I'm so fucking lucky for that. You know, it's like, it's so amazing. Just want to thank everybody in the chat for coming here and dropping knowledge on me. You know, I just want to thank you guys for being so nice, going out of your way to come here and to tell me what to do. I mean, hey, I said below the 30s. I did. I didn't know we were going to drop 300 points, to be honest. I mean, 100 points there, but fuck it. Hey, congratulations if you got that short. I'm not mad about it by any means. I am not mad about it, but fucking hey. Congrats. Hey. We went sideways for fucking 40 minutes and then drop 100 points. So we were talking about this move, this idea of waiting for that big move. Well, that's exactly how you get an Apex account funded right there, my friends. And so congrats. Why is there everybody? I thought about me leaning towards longs or shorts. It's just, I don't know. For the $100 giveaway on Only Prop Firms, you do not need to fill out the form every day. Just fill out the form one time, and you're good to go. So, see, the problem now is I know that I'm not going to be trading for the rest of the week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I know there's going to be amazing moves fucking the rest of the week, and it's so frustrating because it's not fresh. I don't know why it's not frustrating. It's just, it's not fun knowing that, like, this is the shit I gotta deal with. Now, I'll be fishing. I'll have a good time. I'll be back next Monday. You know, just gotta forget about the markets for a few days, go fishing, have fun, come back next week. There's always gonna be more moves. There will always be bigger moves, better moves, all the moves. Just trying to figure out what really happened here. I mean, I guess just that fucking pivot point, just resistance holding us down there, and then fuck yeah, I just, like, was there had to be some type of news. Right, like, that's just not like that was crazy. Was there no news at all? Nothing came out right there. 10:30. Nothing. So weird. Huh. Well, we are breaking the range right here on the hourly chart. Look at that hourly candle now. Oh my baby Jesus. Another little bear flag break to the downside there from the 60s down there to the 2. Oh my, what is this? Patrick, does the PA account have a profit limit? No, not really. Ugh. She. Trying to figure out what I missed here. I guess just the fact that we're pretty much in that range. The range just denied us again. I mean, what could I have done better? I mean, the hourly, he's just like, definitely wasn't easy, so. Da-da-da-da-da. Bum, 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 bum. I don't know. I don't know. Fuck. It's painful. Painful to look at now. Painful. It's painful, boys. All right. Ugh. Well, I'm definitely not going to chase this now. I'm already up 30 grand on the day. Don't need to go chasing waterfalls. Trust me, it's not fun. Chasing waterfalls is never fun. I've been there. I've done that. I'm going to walk away. Oh, God, still dumping. I'm going to walk away. Get the fuck. Oh, God. Oh, it's still going down. Oh, baby Jesus. Oh, buddy. If you guys do me one favor, I'm going to post up the video of the new car. If you guys haven't already hit the like button, help me out here. I'll post up the video here in a second. Stay tuned. It's time to party, new car. Oh. Wow. Bro. This is crazy right now. This is crazy. Look at this thing. Dollars going to the moon. It's happening. It's happening. Just by the way, from 330 down there to the 180s, that's like it's a pretty good move. 150 points for you. I didn't take the trade, but it was there. I put it out there into the world. All right, so do me one big favor if you guys are still watching. Check out the new car, the new McLaren 600 LT. So doomsday. I don't think it's a doomsday by any means, but market's only down 0.6%. Relax, people. Watch is gonna like fucking pop straight back up now. The dollar's just going straight to the moon. Ever since 10:10, something must have came out at like 10 o'clock, 10:10. Something, I don't know. Just I guess, I don't know. Just perfect timing. I bought a new car. Check out my new car. Look at this thing. Would you just look at it? Just look at it. Why don't? Oh my! Oh my! There's me. It's me. What's that turbo build up? Look at this thing. Oh! Look at that truck. Look at that Bronco. Look at that. Oh! I'm on a whole nother level, boys. Look at that thing. Oh, it's sexy, real sexy. Oh yeah, new car, who dis? All right, the NASDAQ just continuing. Why not blue? Because McLaren orange is way sicker. Way thicker. Yeah, the McLaren's an English car. All right. So there it is. I'm going to walk away. So. You're becoming like Lambo Raoul. Yeah, but way cooler. That's the difference. All right. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Do me my favor, hit that like button. If you are still watching, go check out the car video and let me know what you think in the comments. What do you think? Baddest car you ever did see? I think so. I think so. All right. I'll see you guys later on. Next Monday, I'll be back. I got a fishing tournament for the rest of the week. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Follow me on Instagram. Let me know. I'll be posting some videos up throughout the week. Hit the like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below. The market, that was the move. We talked about needing a move, right? To get a Apex account funded. Well, that's the fucking move right there. If I've ever seen one, my friends. Straight down. You could have gotten short below the 30s and gotten funded off that one candle alone. So right now, Apex is 80% off, 1 day pass. You can sign up today. You can pass the evaluation, get your funded account, start working towards getting the payouts. So there it is. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace to the middle. E.